This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Diane Boutin. Elegant 3-bedroom plus den with almost 2,500 square feet of living area. Panoramic golf course and lake view from huge lanai. This turnkey condo with beautiful furnishings, shows like a model. Den can be perfect for additional guests. This condo also has a private 2-car attached garage for convenience. Just bring your clothes and a toothbrush. Enjoy the virtual tour. For more information, review the details below or contact Diane Boutin at 239-229-7571.